Randy, the guy on the bike, face the guy on the bike.
Keep going.
Randy, look at it. Randy, look at it.
Wait!
Oh my God.
Try that. That is fun. Try it. Yeah, try it.
Come on, Johnny.
I laughed my ass. Alright, I'm not standing over here.
Oh yeah, he's gonna eat it.
Hold on, wait.
Wait, we already got the way.
Yeah, wait.
No one wants when he gets close.
Alright, tell us when you're gonna go.
You guys are dumb. Start from the side and then go straight down instead of do what Randy did.
I think he's gonna. He's still going.
Yeah, dude, I do short videos.
Dude.
The video ended like Ryan, their videos are that. Dude, try it. You gotta try it. You should be like,
Come on, Randy.
what the hell is that? Okay. I'm supposed to let go. Alright, let me go work. Alright, we going for bar spin or tail whip? I'm going for bar spin. Tail whip?
Keep going.
We need it off a big ramp.
Doing 180. Wow.
You guys just go.
Look, go to the jump up there. Jump that. I'm not even gonna do anything.
Come on, Nicky Poo.
Dude, just like drop in from this little spot right here. That'd be cool.
Dude, just like come all the way from the top.
I know, dude, it's sick.
Oh, dude.
Oh, wow, Randy. What are you doing there?
So here, dude, take the trike like back there and just like try to roll it.
Can Billy touch his nose?
That's cool.
Wow.
Johnny.
That's very
Johnny,
nice.
you gotta check this stuff out, man.
What else can you do, Billy?
He's gonna take the trike because it's on a Wednesday.
I don't know, it hasn't been on like a Friday or a weekend in like a bajillion years.
It's never gonna be, I think.
Yeah, it will, eventually.
By my house?
It'll take forever, like,
Dude, you guys are gonna
we'll be in college by the time it's on a weekend.
Doesn't matter, we can still go trick-or-treating.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys, we're going. Say that, I swear to God, I will obey your mother. Okay, go ahead, I don't care.
Neil likes what in his mouth?
And I'll make you sit there and watch it.
Big, fat, hairy balls.
Neil likes what in his mouth? What do you like?
Wow, you're gay. No, I didn't even say that.
What did he say? What was it, Nick?
I think it was big, fat, hairy balls.
Real, yes, I concur. Big, fat, hairy balls.
I don't know about horror. I don't know her enough.
All right, come on, guys. Come on, keep going. This way.